the open ground, heading down the SheepLakes shore. They bounce and bound with energy high, big brown bodies full of moose delight. One shakes his head, the other gives a grin. Let the wild games begin. Running, running, frolicking free. Two moose brothers, wild as can be, splashing in the shallows, charging through the day. SheepLakes in the Rockies, living wild and free. Living wild and free. They leap and twist and spin around, racing near the lake on familiar ground, raising up tall, thrashing front legs high, showing off their power to the big blue sky, chasing one another, splashing in the spray, full of energy on a perfect day. No worries, no hurry, just moose and fun till the day is almost done. Running, running, frolicking free. Two moose brothers, wild as can be, flashing in the shallows, charging through the day. SheepLakes in the Rockies, living wild and free. Then suddenly a bride walks right in frame, just a flash of white, a brief moment in the day. They'll catch in the breeze for a second or two. The moose freeze up, not sure what to do. One looks at the other with wide open eyes. Brother, I'm out of here, is all he cries. They bolt across the meadow, raising up to thrash, pushing and shoving in a playful clash, kicking up speed as they disappear. Two MooseAntlers filled with fear, back to the hills, safe and sound. Till death we do parks. Another day around.